All right, grade 5. So, welcome back. For the second block in English, I would like to introduce you to epic.com. So, in Epic, I think we already use it in class, but today you're going to be able to go on the website and read several English books at home. I'm going to explain you a little bit how it works. So first, this is the PC version. So it's the web browser version. If you want to use it on the iPad, you can download the app, or and you can follow the same instructions. So make sure that you go on getepic.com and then you click on students. I sent all the codes to your parents today, Sunday, and you already have the code, but it's the same code for everyone. So our code is WQC6565. If you click on go, you will be redirected to our class. In our class, you will find probably your name. If you don't find me, just write me a message on Classcraft, and I can try to work on the specific thing that you asked. So I'm just gonna give the example with Adriana. She's the first one. So here with Adriana. Okay, yes. Sorry, I was just looking at something. If you click on your name, you will be able to go and search for different kind of books. So this week's block, I want you to find a book that you like and start reading in English. It depends on your English level. You can choose more difficult books. Some of you can choose easier books. So I'm going to give you some examples. There's some right for you. You have some suggestions. You have some videos. You have the read to me here as well. If you click on this one, you can actually listen someone reading the book. So I'm going to give you an example. If I click on Discovering Titanic's Remains, if I click on it, you can start reading if you click on play, and you will listen someone reading the book for you. And as you read it, you can just follow along. At the same time, some of the books, if I'm just going to give you an example. Let's say you do not understand a word. I want to find the definition for thrilling. So if you click with if you click on it, not two times, but with the other. Oh, it doesn't work with this one. Sorry. But in some cases, if you click on a specific word, you will be able to find the definition of that word. Let me check if it works with another book. Oh, Get Epic, the journey begins. Adriana, you already have a badge. Let's say I go to Epic Originals. I go to Cat Ninja. Let's see if it works. Highlight. I'm gonna go to the next page. Let's see. Oh, yes, I think it works. If I write down a specific word, you have the word, and it tells you exactly what it is and the definition of that word. Let's say, for example, I want to know the word master. Master, noun, a male teacher, a person holding an academic degree between bachelor's and doctor's, an independent skilled worker especially. So you have all these awesome platform that you can work with, and you can find very interesting books, and you can read at home. You can read with someone. You can show to your dad, your mom, or your siblings. So have fun. This blog is for you to explore the platform. If you have questions, just send me a message on Classcraft, and I can answer it very quickly. All right. Take care, grade 5, and have fun this week.